People think we're all about the Jaguars, and there's some truth in that. But today seems to be Volkswagen Day. Volkswagen Camper Day, in fact.
Hi guys, I'm Dudley at Wildworx Customs, and this week we have this Volkswagen camper van presented to us by Wildworx Customs. They do camper van conversions and camper van accessories, so if you want to check them out, we'll drop a link to their site in the description to this vid. Now, us at Wildworx Customs are about to make this look a lot more snazzy with some atomic teal colour change wrap.
There we are, let's try it like that.
Have another go.
Having another go, marketing team. Whoever's working on this one, Rob, Joe, Jordan. Dunk. Mwah. Mwah. Gorgeous.
Our wraps and components are installed by certified wrap installers and qualified vehicle technicians. If you are thinking about creating your dream car, head to raptorcustoms.com. Our wraps are branded, high-quality material that help to protect your paint. With thousands of colours and finishes to choose from, Wildworx Customs can bring your dream car to life.
Well, thanks to Wildworx for letting us wrap one of their lovely, lovely vans. I hope you and your customer are absolutely thrilled with it. You're watching Wildworx Customs. I hope you've enjoyed this. Please do us a favour and follow us on social media. And if you're on YouTube, click that subscribe button. We won't spam you. It simply bookmarks our page so you can follow more of our vehicle customisation projects. Thanks all. Stay safe.
Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, check out the time we made an incredible custom design for Delta Performance. And why not take a look at the time we repaired the wrap of another transporter, giving it the polish it needed.